Want to crop an image into a shape in Canva? Here's how to crop photos into circles, hearts, and more in Canva step by step. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Open Canva and open your design. From the left panel, go to Uploads and drag your image onto the canvas. Now click Elements from the left menu. Think of shapes as frames in Canva. In the search bar, type frame, then tap See All to view all available shapes. Pick any frame you like, circle, square, heart, or custom shapes. Click it to add it to your design. Now drag your image directly into the frame. Canva automatically crops it to that shape. Double tap the image inside the frame. Move or zoom it to reposition the crop. Tap Done when finished. Your image is now perfectly cropped into the selected shape. Regular shapes won't crop images. You must use frames, not basic shapes. Frames are great for profile pictures, logos, thumbnails, and social media designs. And that's it. That's how to crop an image to a shape in Canva. Subscribe for more Canva tips.